experience the ultimate coastal retreat in Maine, a historic US Coast Guard life saving station turned stunning 3-bed residence on Little Cranberry Island. This unique property boasts breathtaking 360-degree views of the Atlantic Ocean. The station features a large granite fireplace, updated kitchen, and comfortable living areas. A separate 2-bedroom guest house with 3-car garage and loft living area provides additional space for family and friends. With 12 plus acres of waterfront and a conservation easement protecting the surrounding lands. This property offers a serene and natural environment. Plus enjoy private use of the boathouse and dock. Please check out video description to contact with the listing agent. Thank you for watching.